Target entity debt. Nature of target entity debt in acquisitions. Target entity debt refers to the borrowings that exist within the company being acquired. In many takeover situations, these liabilities must be addressed as part of the transaction. Sometimes the lenders require that existing loans be repaid immediately upon acquisition due to change of control clauses in loan agreements. This means the acquiring company must consider not only the purchase price paid to shareholders, but also the cost of settling the target company's outstanding borrowings. Consequently, the total funding requirement for the acquisition may be significantly higher than the equity valuation alone. Impact of target debt on valuation and offer price. The treatment of target entity debt is important when determining the size of the takeover offer. Business valuation methods may produce either an equity value or an enterprise value, equity plus debt. If the valuation already includes debt obligations, adjustments must be made to avoid double counting when structuring the offer. For example, if an acquirer values the entire business based on discounted cash flows to all investors, the resulting figure represents enterprise value. The bidder must therefore deduct the target's debt to determine the equity value that should be offered to shareholders. Failure to recognize this distinction can result in overpaying for the acquisition. Strategic implications of assuming target debt. When acquiring a company, the acquirer must decide whether to repay, refinance, or retain the target entity's debt. Retaining the existing debt may be beneficial if the borrowing terms are favorable. However, refinancing may be required if lenders demand repayment, or if the acquirer wishes to restructure the capital structure of the combined entity. The decision will influence gearing, interest costs, and financial risk in the merged organization. Proper evaluation of the target company's debt profile is therefore essential in acquisition planning and financing decisions.